So it's day 2 of our time here in Iceland, and we're heading out of Reykjavik again. Today we're planning to visit the Blue Lagoon this afternoon. We've got our booking at 3 o'clock, so that meant we've got a bit of time this morning, but not loads of time to really go out miles away to see anything major. But I've put together a little route on Google this morning. We're first of all going to be going to a waterfall called Helgafoss, and then on from there to a lava field. I think it's called something like Kritos or Kritos. And then there's various other stops along the way, but I can't pronounce a lot of these names. So yeah, so on to our first stop then, Helgafoss, which is a waterfall just outside of Reykjavik. It's literally a 25-minute drive, so that should be really cool to see. And then after that, we're going to come back on ourselves and then head towards the sort of southwest region, and it's places that are along the way really to the Blue Lagoon. So a couple of hours driving today and a few nice stops along the way. So now at the Blue Lagoon. Don't know how good this audio and video is going to be, as I'm just having to see it on my phone, but it's been pretty cool so far. Had a mud mask and got a complimentary drink, and now just chilling in the lagoon itself. Been in the sauna, which was nice and hot as you'd expect, and yeah, seen the whole place I think now, and yeah, it's really impressive. Nice mountains as you can see in the background, and a lifeguard there. And there's a really cool waterfall feature behind me somewhere over there, and that's pretty awesome, as it feels like you're having a massage when you're in the waterfall and it's all like lashing down on you, so that's awesome. So we're all done at the Blue Lagoon. It was a pretty good day. It was really cool how they like set it all up. We had like a wristband given to us when we got in, which you could use to then buy anything there. So it didn't need to take any cash or anything like that in the pools with you. So that was really handy about it. And yeah, it's just really a bit out of this world, very different. You're in a really cold country like this, and then you're in a boiling hot kind of lagoon, swimming pool thing with all steam everywhere, and there's a bar there, and you got your face mask sort of bar there as well. So you get a complimentary face mask and a complimentary drink with your basic comfort package, which we went for. And then there's a more expensive package where you get a bathrobe and chance to reserve dinner there. So we weren't particularly bothered about having dinner here, so we skipped that one and just had the comfort package. And yeah, it's really good. It's I would say expensive for what it is. It's about 70 quid each to get in English money, so that's probably about $85 for US people watching this video. So it is a lot of money, but I think when you're in Iceland, you're not going to be here all the time. It's worth treating yourself to it and checking it out. It was really enjoyable, really good. So yeah, definitely do that. Put that on your list if you're coming to Iceland, and check it out for yourself.